Hey guys, welcome back. I have finally got the wood. You can see this big stump. I'm going to be taking my Sawzall here and cutting away at this to get to a nice piece of wood that I can square up, clean off, and then make the scales for the knife on it. So here we go. We're gonna Okay, there we go. We got somewhat of a cube. The rest I'm going to be hitting on the sander, kind of getting these rough edges off, and I'll trim this back more just to see if I can find good solid wood in there. And there seems to be some. Might have to take another piece off of the log, maybe more towards the center where the wood seems a lot more dense and there's less cracking and less insect activity. You can see where there's some borers boring into the wood there, but it's a start. I'll tell you right now, I don't like working with wood. I am not a woodworker. It's not my favorite. It's a mess that it's made. Got the belt on the sander, 36 grit, very coarse, so get quick work with this. I've got a shop vac hooked up to this funnel. You can see it, but I'm going to turn that on while it's on. Hopefully help catch some of the dust. There we go. well, after sanding that for a little while, this here I'm into the better wood, but you can see all these little, looks like insect damage. I think I got too much of the outside of the trunk of that on that first cut, so I'm going to make another cut further in. Maybe I can get into more of this better wood that doesn't have this damage to it. I don't think that'll hold up very well. It would probably look pretty cool if I knew how to do wood stabilization, like stabilized burls and things like that, but I don't know how to do that and have not taken the time to figure out how to do it. But at another time, maybe I will. So you can see that kind of pattern stuff would look pretty cool in there if it were stabilized, but right now it's just real brittle, soft wood. So we'll have another go at it.